Hello techies, welcome back to Power Automate Desktop Tutorials. In this short video, we will learn how to rename the Subflow. For example, if you see over here, I have given the name as database underscore Subflow for one of my subflows. For example, if I want to rename the subflow, how can we go ahead and do that? If you see over here, I'm having the subflows under, let's expand that, and you can see over here database underscore subflow, and you can find three dots over here. Let's click on more actions, and you can see over here, if you want to edit the name of the flow, you can go ahead and you can edit the subflow name by clicking on edit. Now if you see over here, I want to edit it as SQL DB underscore subflow. I have renamed it and then I'm going to save it. Now if you see, the flow name previously had database underscore subflow. Right now it has been renamed to SQL DB underscore subflows. But what about the run subflow action? If you go for the main, and then if you're going to double click on the run subflow, and you can see here also the run subflow also renamed over here, and it has been taken as SQL DB underscore subflow because of the reference has been matched, and then it has been taken it as SQL DB underscore subflow. All right, let's click on save. Now we have seen how to rename it. Let's assume I want to delete this subflow. In that case, how can we go ahead and delete this subflow over here? The same option, we will select it. We'll go for the subflows and let's expand that. And then we are going to select the subflow which we want to delete. In my case, I'm going to delete SQL DB underscore subflow, so that I'm going to select more actions over here. And then I'm going to select the option called delete. Now, once you click on the delete, it will give the pop-up for the confirmation. You can see over here, delete subflow SQL DB underscore subflow. This action cannot be undone once you have deleted it. I'm going to select yes, so that you can see over here, the subflow with the name of SQL DB underscore subflow has been deleted successfully. And you can see over here, when I'm going to use run subflow over here, so that I got the error over here, parameter run subflow SQL DB underscore subflow was not found because of the subflow has been deleted successfully, so that it is trying to look for the reference of the subflow, so that it has been thrown an error over here. I hope you understand how to rename the subflow, and also we have seen how to delete the subflow in this particular tutorial. Thank you for watching Microsoft Power Automate Desktop tutorials. If you have any queries related to this concept, please post them in the comment section. I will see you in the next session. Till then, bye-bye. Have a wonderful day.